Hey there, Nikki Harden, the Cleanse Queen and the formulator of 21, the Total Lifestyle Cleanse and Nutrition Program. So listen, I'm going to keep this video super short and sweet because you're busy and I'm heading to the ballet. But what I know is if you're watching this, you're a top performer. I'm guessing that you're only operating at about 80 to 90% on a good day and you'd like to be at 110. And I'm also guessing you used to be able to burn the midnight oil and well, that's just not happening anymore. So here's what's happening. Now we're gonna talk science for about 2.5 minutes, and this could actually be a 3.5-day seminar, but I'm gonna keep it super short and sweet. This is all about mastering your metabolism. It's about, okay, yes, we've all heard about the metabolism, but most people just think about it as it relates to their weight. And really your metabolism is about so much more than that. Your metabolism regulates your brain's performance, your hormonal balance, your body's ability to create energy, and your body's ability to clean itself. So what that means for you every day on a moment-to-moment basis, are you able to focus? Can you think clearly? How quickly are you able to make smart, fast decisions? And how confident do you feel in those decisions? How well are you sleeping? How much stress and anxiety are you experiencing? How's your mood? All of these things, they're all regulated by your metabolism. It's also how clear your skin is, how bright your eyes are, how positive and inspired you're feeling. Could you imagine if you had energy off the charts all day, every day, and it never stopped? And if you woke before your alarm in the morning, inspired, motivated, and feeling super creative and alive, rather than because you were stressed out and running the laundry list of to-dos, this is what's available to you when you master your metabolism. So quick, we're gonna pop over to a slide because I love visuals and it's the best way for me to show you exactly how this works. Your metabolism is a set of chemical reactions that never stops and allows your body to function. In order for there to be a set of reactions, you need something that's going to turn into something else. So we're going to call these somethings A and B. So A is going to turn into B in order for your life processes to continue forward. Now, in order for A to turn into B, it needs ingredients. So your ingredients are going to be vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Notice I didn't say calories, fats, protein, carbs. I said vitamins, minerals, amino acids, because that's how your body understands food. In addition to that, we also need enzymes. Enzymes are like the match that lights the fire for the reaction to take place. So for A to go to B, it needs a very set combination of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids and enzymes to catalyze the reaction, and then it will become B. This is how the metabolism works at the most basic level. When your metabolism is firing, you are off the charts. Your energy is super, super high. You can't be stopped. Your mind is super clear. Your energy and positivity is contagious. Everybody wants a piece. You're limitless and unstoppable. But here's the ticker. Why aren't you experiencing that? Toxins. Toxins block your metabolic reactions. They steal your energy. They cause foggy brain. They're stealing your sleep. They're robbing you of your mood. They're literally what is the demise of your life functioning and your body. They're also going to help you hold on to stubborn weight because toxins are stored in fat cells. Your body actually creates these fat cells so that it can safeguard and protect it from these inorganic ingredients that are going into the body. And the scariest part about all of this is that our bodies are being bombarded all day, every day by toxins. It is about so much more, like to really safeguard your health and to also empower you to have health that leads to peak performance. You need more than just eating healthy and exercising. You need like an arsenal of tools, right? Because toxins are entering your body through the food that we're eating, the air that you're breathing, the lifestyle products you're using, and then the amount of stress that you're experiencing is taking it to a whole nother level. Let's be honest. Can you see genetically modified ingredients in your food? No. Guess what? I saw at Whole Foods a sign, 2 of them actually. One said 70% of all packaged goods contain genetically modified ingredients, at least 70%. And it is probable, notice they didn't say possible, it is probable that there is no such thing as a 100% organic ingredient in America due to cross-pollination. We're all eating science projects, and that's what is going into our body and disrupting our signals. That's why everyone is overweight, that's why people can't sleep, that's why brains are super foggy, that amongst other things. Like the 7 million chemicals that are in use in the world today, and the 80,000 of them are in common use in food, in the air, in our lifestyle products, in our water. It's ridiculous, and none of them, by the way, have been screened or tested on humans. That makes me feel so good. I don't know about you, but I feel great about that. So keep slathering on that lotion. I also want to bring your awareness to one other thing. Most cities treat their water supply. They don't purify it. They don't filter it. They treat it. So they add more chemicals to the water to kill the bacteria and the other chemicals, so that we can drink it from the tap water and shower in it so it can be absorbed in our skin. I don't know. These are all the things that are happening, and plus the air that we're breathing. And this is what's going in, and it's literally clogging your liver, blocking your metabolic reactions, and it's stealing your life. So what do we gotta do? You've got to cleanse. You must systematically apply a proven formula to remove these toxins from your body and regenerate your cells and bring them back to life. I've written all about it, all about my philosophy, my theory, and my actual program, which I developed after studying Ayurveda in India at healing clinics, managing a metabolic testing lab in Los Angeles, and managing detox programs at cleansing and fasting resorts in Thailand. So listen, you can pop over to 21vipcleanse.com. You can read all about this. It's got everything you need, but before you go, I want to set you up with a few tips you can implement right now in your life. Like literally, in this moment, you can make a turn, and these things will have an incredible impact on your health. So the first thing you do, go organic, like 100% organic. I don't want to hear any arguments, it's too expensive, I don't know. You're worth it. You're worth every single penny. You pay it on the front end, you save it on the back end, and the amount of energy and life and vitality that you're going to get from that one change is going to literally pay its way in gold, and you'll probably make more money because you'll feel so much better. Just saying. Because most top performers work for themselves, or they're in a position where they can expand their wealth. So, second thing I want you to do, go plant-based or predominantly plant-based. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you that animals are bad and that it's bad for you to eat animal products and it's wrong. It's not about that. It's about your health. Animals are challenging for your body to digest, and it doesn't even understand how to digest dairy. So what that means is it takes a significant amount of energy and life force from your body to just digest that food. That's energy and life force that you could be using in other areas of your life. Third thing, quit your coffee. I know how you top performers are with your coffee. Lay it down. Like, at least switch it out for matcha tea or something, right? Green tea. I know you love your caffeine. You think you need it. You don't need it. You just need to get on my program, 21 VIP Cleanse. You'll have way more energy than you've ever had in your life. It's the jet. I love the jet flyover. I'm in the airplane fly mode. It's so great. So there you go. Those are 3 things you can do right now. Go organic, eat predominantly plant-based, and lose the coffee. Super easy. So listen, those are your 3 steps. Go to 21vipcleanse.com and tune in tomorrow, because tomorrow I have really important information. I'm going to break it down for you exactly how to clean out your body, and it's a super easy 3-step approach. See you there.